everybody, welcome back to Weeby Kids again. It's the first snowy day of winter and we've come out into our garden to have a campfire, and we're going to show you how to make delicious mince pie donuts. So in order to make delicious festive mince pies, we're going to need a few materials. We're going to need some bread. We're just using small cut white bread. We're going to need eggs, milk, some mince meat or mince fruit, and some icing sugar as well. So there we have our campfire cooked festive mince pie donuts. You can also do these inside if you like, but it's much more fun to do them on the fire, isn't it?
Outside in the snow.
Outside in the snow. Alright, thanks for stopping by at Weeby Kids. See you again sometime soon.